Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're tired of manually scrubbing your pool and want to make cleaning effortless, you're in the right place. Because today we're diving into the top 5 best pool cleaning robots in 2025 that will keep your pool sparkling with minimal effort. These cutting-edge machines are smart, powerful, and built to save you time. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to check out the product links in the description box below to learn more about each amazing pool cleaner. Let's get started. Looking for a cordless cleaner that makes pool upkeep effortless? The STARRYBOT is a lightweight, powerful robotic cleaner designed specifically for above-ground pools. It features a top-load filter basket that makes debris removal a breeze, ensuring sparkling, crystal-clear water every time you dive in. Whether your pool is round, rectangular, or a unique shape, the STARRYBOT adapts seamlessly to all surfaces and structures. Its smart edge navigation automatically guides the robot to the pool's edge when the battery is low, or the cleaning is complete, so you never have to go fishing for it. If you want a cleaner that packs a punch in a compact design, check out the Gosvor Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Designed for flat above-ground pools up to 860 square feet, it uses strong suction to capture dirt, leaves, and other debris, giving you a pristine swimming environment. With up to 90 minutes of runtime and a 3-hour quick recharge, the Gosvor is perfect for families who need fast, efficient cleaning. Its cordless build eliminates tangles, and when it's done, it self-parks, so it's always easy to retrieve. For in-ground pool owners looking for professional-grade cleaning, meet the WYBOT C1, a 4-in-1 powerhouse that cleans floors, walls, stairs, and even water lines. With triple motors and the ability to climb slopes up to 45 degrees, this robot is designed for deep, full-coverage cleaning across up to 1,614 square feet. It features dual PVC brushes and a powerful water pump motor for 2 times suction strength, effectively removing everything from fine particles to large leaves. The Smart Navigation 3.0 system, supported via a mobile app, allows you to control cleaning paths, S-path for floors, N-path for walls, and ensures complete coverage of any pool shape. Say hello to innovation with the AIPER Scuba S1, a high-tech robotic cleaner made for in-ground pools up to 1,600 square feet. This sleek device delivers exceptional performance with powerful suction, active scrubbing, and a generously sized filter basket that captures both large and fine debris. The WavePath Navigation 2.0 system ensures the Scuba S1 covers your entire pool while reducing redundant passes, saving time and battery. Its Caterpillar treads provide unmatched traction and allow it to climb over drains, steps, and uneven terrain with ease. You'll also love the 4 smart cleaning modes: Auto, Eco, Floor Only, and Wall Only, letting you customize every session. Topping our list is the Dolphin E10 2025 model, a trusted favorite redesigned for maximum performance. Perfect for above-ground pools up to 30 feet, this plug-and-play robotic vacuum features active scrubbing brushes that deep clean your pool floor while being gentle on surfaces. Its top-load filter system is a dream to maintain, catching dirt and debris quickly and easily. Just plug it in, drop it in, and let it work. You'll get a sparkling pool in just 1.5 hours. If you're looking for reliability, simplicity, and power in one sleek device, the Dolphin E10 is the best robotic pool cleaner of 2025.